Now, in this type of batteries, a lead cell consists of two electrodes composed of lead compounds immersed in an electrolyte of dilute sulfuric acid. The active materials of the electrodes are deposited as coating on supporting lead grids. The electrodes consist of one or more grids or plates, anode and cathode plates being set alternately face to face. But when the cell is discharged, both cathode and anode grids are coated with lead sulfate. When the cell is charged, the anode grids are coated with lead peroxide and the cathode grids are pure lead. However, when fully charged, the cell develops an EMF of about 2 volts, but as it is discharged, the EMF decreases slowly to about 1.8 volts. If the cell is allowed to discharge completely, its voltage finally falls off very rapidly. Complete discharge is, however, likely to result in the disintegration of the electrode, so that it is a standard practice to recharge lead cells before its open circuit voltage falls below 1.8 volts. Once the voltage becomes below 1.8, it becomes difficult to recharge the battery. Therefore, it should always be checked that this voltage does not fall before 1.8 volts. The specific gravity of the electrolyte is of importance to the current functioning of the cell. When this is fully charged, the specific gravity of the electrolyte is about 1.21, but when the cell is discharged to 1.8 volts, specific gravity is about 1.18. The change in specific gravity is brought about because when the cell is discharged, some of the acid is used up in the formation of lead sulfate at the electrode and some water is produced. The proportion of acid to water is therefore lower. Now, the state of charge of a lead acid cell can be ascertained by measuring the specific gravity of the electrolyte with a hydrometer. In case of cap lamp batteries, the specific gravity may be higher than stated above because a specific discharge characteristic is required in cap lamp batteries. Now, in this lesson, we have learned about the lead acid accumulator or secondary cell. In the next lesson, we will learn about the nickel ion secondary cell. Join me in the next class. Bye for now.